Welcome, modelers, and again I'm going to do another past build review, or whatever you want to call it. Kind of show you, this is part of me showing some of the models I've built in the past. This was the second model I built after I kind of was reintroduced back into building my models. I built this one right about the same time I was building that double engine dragster. This is from the AMT Model T kit, the one you get 2-in-1. You get the stock Model T and build a hot rod. And this is, of course, the chopped T coupe. I painted, the body is a Ford blue color that I got from the parts house. It was what was it? It's one of those small cans of body color, factory body color you can buy at the auto parts house. I can't remember the color of the blue. And then I used more of a semi-gloss or a satin clear on it. I didn't want it to be a full gloss. I was kind of looking for more of a satin look on it. And that's what I did with it. It's kind of a nice blue. I was looking for something more metallic-y, but this works. That's why I went ahead and made it a little flatter. And that's what it is. I wired the engine. Again, I just used sewing thread for the ignition wires. Red interior. It's pretty much what's out of the box. I made it fendered, of course. I'm not crazy about how the fenders fit on the back. I wish they covered the tires more. I'm not sure if it's something I did wrong with the kit, or if it's just the kit. I didn't want to spend a lot of time trying to modify and make things, look right on it. But that's what it is. I like it. I've got more of these kits, so I can always build another one. Try and finesse one a little more. No, that's really about all I did. It's pretty much straight out of the box. And I tried to detail the dash. It's hard to see in there. I can show the underside. See if I can pick this thing up. Stop this. I did not mount the body on this. So let me see if I can take the body off. And there we go. So there's the body. Set it back here. As you can see, pretty simple little kit. Again, this is one. I've learned some skills since then. There's things I would do now that I didn't do on this, with the black washing and things like that. Bring a little more detail out in chrome and things like that. Other than that, I didn't do any bluing on the headers. I was doing it more as kind of a semi-show car. Of course, the quick change. That's it. Nice simple little kit. Sit here in the body. I don't know if you can see the gauges or not. Can we see those? I don't think my lighting is quite right for this. No, I ain't going to be able to see it. It's not like having the SLR and being able to actually get in and do some pictures. There we go. Maybe that'll get us a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. There we go. There's a little bit of light there. See a little bit of that. I do like to do detail. So, get in there. Yeah, no. I'm probably just pissing everybody off, moving this around so much. Giving people motion sickness. So that was an attempt at seeing the gauges. Trust me, they're in there. Trust me. Right? Along with promises like the checks in the mail, and I won't go to the other one. And there it is. This one of my little favorites. I was pretty happy with it at the time. And like I say, I got a couple more of those kits. I'm going to be building more of these. I still want to build all the stock Model Ts too. And so we'll probably be seeing those in the future. And there she is. So, thanks for stopping by. Again, the usual. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit like if you like. And please leave comments. I like getting comments. It strokes my ego. And I answer. I try to answer every one of them if I can. And there it is. So, have fun building your models, and come back when you can. So till then, catch you later.